In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude for your Chrome browser in just a few minutes. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth setup process so you can start exploring everything Claude has to offer. First, let's make sure you have access to Claude for Chrome, as this feature was initially rolled out by Anthropic as a research preview or early access feature. Access might be limited, particularly for early testers and Claude Max subscribers. If you haven't gained access yet, consider joining the waitlist by visiting claude.ai/chrome. Alternatively, you might want to check the access email you received if you're already on the list. Once you've confirmed your access, it's time to install the extension from the Chrome Web Store. You'll want to use the exact link provided in your access email from Anthropic. This ensures you're getting the right version. If you haven't received this link, you can try searching for Claude for Chrome directly in the Chrome Web Store. Click on the Add to Chrome button and be sure to confirm any browser prompts to install the extension. This is just the usual workflow for adding any Chrome extension, so it should be pretty familiar. After you've successfully installed the extension, you'll need to sign in and authenticate. The Claude extension will prompt you to log in with your credentials, which are the same ones you use at Claude.ai. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this sign-in process, which will ensure that your Claude account is linked to the extension. Next, you'll want to pin the extension to keep it easily accessible. Head over to the Chrome toolbar and click on the puzzle piece icon. Find the Claude extension and click on the thumbtack icon next to it. This will ensure the extension remains visible on your toolbar at all times. Once pinned, open the extension to bring up Claude's sidebar, which will serve as your chat window. Finally, we need to discuss permissions. When you first use Claude for Chrome, it will ask for various permissions like reading web page content, filling out forms, or taking actions when you enable computer use features. It's essential to grant only the permissions that you feel comfortable with. Since the feature is still in preview, Anthropic recommends starting with sites that you already know and trust. Careful consideration here will balance security and functionality, allowing you to safely get the most from Claude's capabilities. And there you have it. You're all set to start using Claude in your Chrome browser. By following these steps, you can enjoy everything this innovative tool has to offer while keeping your usage safe and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with Claude.